first thing in the morning. It's just a little bit after 7 o'clock. We slept in a little bit. Got our pre-trip done. Got ourselves fully awake. And we're gonna put some fuel in the truck, put some def in the truck. Freaking button's full. All right, button's not working, so we're gonna do this a different way. Alrighty. So we got up, tried to get some fuel. The app wasn't letting me, or the keypad on the pump wasn't letting me enter through the card or through the app. So I had to go inside, do it manually inside, come out, fuel, go back in. We all know that situation. All right, so we finally left. It is a little after 7:45 in the morning. So our next fuel stop is 770 miles away, up in Tennessee. So we're making our way up I-30 right now. We are going to get through Texarkana. And I think we will actually stop in Texarkana. That'll be about 130 miles away this morning.
This road for 137 miles.
Yeah, about 140 miles. We'll stop for our first load check there in Texarkana, Mandeville, at the Pilot. So we should be okay. Basically got full def, we got a full tank of fuel. Put in about 80 gallons and about 8 gallons of def. So as you can see, the same exact weather we've had for the past, several days, almost a week now. Gray and cloudy. wet blanket, smother you type feeling. Yeah, not a... Yeah, so, you know, a whole lot of no fun today. I-30 eastbound, the yardstick 25. They are looking at a lot of trucks here at the old scale. Got red lighted. So they're doing some inspections today. But our weight is good. Our truck is operating properly. All the lights are working. Everything is good on the truck and trailer. So I'm not particularly worried about it. Basically just, you know, waste a minute and a half, 2 minutes of my day. All right, I-30 Arkansas. We got a little blue light special up on the shoulder. So the sooner we get over, the better. It does a couple of things. A, gets me further away from the incident. Two, it lets everybody behind me see further down the road so they can get away from the incident. Except for this meathead, this idiot, just so he could pass me. No other reason. Just so he could pass me. Couldn't wait 5, 6, 10 seconds until I passed the police officer helping out that those women. Had to pass me right there. That's the dangerous sort of stuff that we don't need on the highways. And it's not a truck doing that. It's a knucklehead in a standard car. Look at this. Reckless driving, cutting in and out, sweeping in and out of traffic. Because they have to be first. Couldn't wait till this little gray silver car got past this truck. No, I gotta go now. Reckless. That's what causes accidents on the highways. It's people like that that thoroughly, I don't even want to say it. I mean, so dang selfish that they're willing to A, risk their own lives, but also endanger other people. So on our right side, we have Maybelline and L'Oreal, you know, makeup and hair care and nails and makeup and all that jazz there. one of the biggest, employers in the area, I would think.
What, the barbecue man going out of business?
In a quarter mile, turn right on Arkansas 391 South.
Yeah, maybe. He's a little too far away for anybody to walk.
Turn right on Arkansas 391 South, then turn left onto East Valentine Road.
Alright, so we are going to go up to the Loves. I can choose either one here. Well, since the Love's now open, we're gonna take a peek at the
Head north onto Cheater Road.
and how it looks that they've totally revamped it.
1,000 feet.
Because it's been almost a year since I've been able to go in there, so we'll go in there. We'll go in here and take a look, see how it looks here. It don't look too much different, but new building, new pumps, new asphalt, so. Well, they definitely changed the way you enter, because you used to enter up here, if I remember correctly, and fight your way in. But now they got an entrance all the way at the back here. A little bit more, and a little better signage out here would let people know, how to get in. Because, as you can see, this bridge is not made for trucks. All right, let's put on our flashers here so people know that we're going to be parking. And we got space up here. Alrighty, we're gonna back her up in here as soon as this guy gets out of the way. We got our 30-minute break done here in the Loves in North Little Rock. So we're gonna move on down the road here. Keep head towards Memphis. And see how far around Nashville we can get. Hopefully a pretty good ways. Hopefully a pretty good ways. So we have done 288 miles so far this morning. We still got 6 hours and 23 minutes on our drive. We have 8-hour rest clock. And we have 8 hours and 3 minutes on our 14-hour. And we still have 19 hours and 53 minutes on our 70.
Hey, oversized, you got dirty.
All right. So we're gonna get back on the road.